So today we're going to manage all the views. We're going to create a work order and close it. We're going to look at preventive maintenance, and then we'll run a report to see what kind of costs we can pull from the work order that you created today. All right, so Listview. Listview, very important. Using the checkboxes, download the CSV file, status report, multi-print your work orders. Also, these first 10, I can complete them in a single click, right? So if you're generating like thousands of work orders like University of Florida, yeah, this is handy. But in your case, I think you guys can manage them one at a time. You can assign vendor to all 10 in a single click, or one of your maintenance team in a single click. Again, great if you've got tons of work orders. I'm showing 105 work orders right now. That's because in status, I'm hiding my canceled, overdue, and rejected work orders. If I want to see those every time I log in, now I've got 2216 on my desktop, okay? But when I cancel and reject a work order, I don't care to load it. In progress, on hold, I don't care. And overdue, whatever, I've got an overdue list here. I don't need it on my list view. So from here, now I've got, I'm back to 95 work orders, okay? And let's say I want to know what Steve is up to, one of our super maintenance staff guys. Out of those 95 work orders, Steve is assigned to 21 of them, okay? This one here, I can't edit it unless I was an administrator, and I would have this bring it down. Right now, it's stored in the cloud. It is offline, okay? Steve made it offline on his phone because he didn't have internet, etc. But as a company admin, I can override that and bring it online again. So really quick way to find out what, staff is working on what, and you can see most of Steve's work orders are completed. Again, use the checkboxes, close them with a single click if you wanted to. So live search is throughout the entire application. Every page in Maxpanda has the live search. Any questions on the list view so far?
No, it seems pretty straightforward.
Excellent. All right, back to 95. All right, so let's go. List view is the one of the views. Map view, I don't think you're going to use it a lot. It's it helps you to see assigned assets, who's got what asset assigned to them. The staff and vendor, you can track them on the map with if they have GPS on in our mobile app. You can look at approved work orders. So all of, and it's site wide. So for all of these sites here. So one here, 6 in Virginia, etc. Now the calendar is more handy especially in your world. On the desktop, it'll ask you to do a quick filter. Like, do you want to see meters, work orders, metering type work orders, future PMs coming up this month, or work orders, or maybe just for single staff. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to run the calendar. Now, the calendar has a couple of benefits that the list view doesn't. Number one is today's the 21st. As you can see on the 23rd, I have these blue work orders. Okay, they're not work orders yet. These are scheduled PMs. So here, check furnace, I've got it running every 3 weeks, maybe, I don't know. Pole strength is every weekend. So these are future work orders. And the second benefit is drag and drop. So let's say this one here, check the furnace. My vendor is unavailable to start on Saturday. So you can drag and drop this for a start date for tomorrow. Maxpanda is going to notify everyone, set up the new due dates, start times, everything automatically, just for that occurrence, not the entire PM schedule, just for this one itself. So again, future work orders review and drag and drop capabilities. Any questions on those three views, Chris?